Hello, welcome back to my class. Now we are solving exercise 3.1. In last video, we have solved example number 1. There were 4 trigonometry equations. Now here we will solve the example number 2. There are also 3 trigonometric equations here. So, very first trigonometric equation is sin theta equals to minus half. This is second example, first trigonometry equation. Now in first example, there were positive term on right hand side. Now here negative term on right hand side. So first we will think about the positive. Forget this negative for some time. So for what theta sine ratio is half, we know sine pi by 6 equals to cos pi by 3 is half. So here for sin theta equals to plus half, theta is pi by 6. So we will use this theta only to solve our trigonometric equation. Okay. Now in which quadrant sine is negative? We have seen in our coordinate system. In first quadrant all ratios are positive, and in second quadrant only sine and cosec will be positive. In third quadrant tan is positive and cot is positive. In fourth quadrant cos and sec will be positive. Okay, I have given one formula trick also. All students take coffee to keep in mind. Okay, so in third and in fourth quadrant sine is negative. Okay, also we have seen for second quadrant we take pi minus theta. For third quadrant we have to take pi plus theta, and for fourth quadrant 2 pi minus theta. Okay, so in third and fourth quadrant sine is negative. So we will write here sine pi plus theta equals to sine 2 pi minus theta equals to minus sin theta. Okay, but here theta is pi by 6. So put here sin pi plus pi by 6 equals to sin 2 pi minus pi by 6 equals to minus sin pi by 6. Now we will equate first and third term first, and then second and third term. Okay. Firstly, we will equate first and third term. Sin pi plus pi by 6 equals to minus sin pi by 6. Solve this bracket. Sin pi plus pi by 6 is 7 pi by 6 equals to minus sin pi by 6 is half. Therefore, minus half. And secondly, equate second and third term. Sin 2 pi minus pi by 6 equals to minus sin pi by 6. If we solve this, then we get 12 pi minus pi means 11 pi by 6 equals to minus half. And also 0 is less than or equal to 7 pi by 6 is less than 2 pi, and 0 is less than or equal to 11 pi by 6 and 2 pi. It means for 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6 sine ratio is minus half. Therefore 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6 are the principal solutions of sin theta equals to minus half. Now second equation, tan theta equals to minus 1. So tan theta equals to minus 1. Now again, for which theta tan is positive 1? For theta equals to pi by 4. Okay. Now in which quadrant tan is negative? All students take coffee means here positive, and all means here positive. So in second and in fourth quadrant tan is negative, and second quadrant we write as pi minus theta, and fourth quadrant we write as 2 pi minus theta. So write down here tan pi minus theta equals to tan 2 pi minus theta equals to minus tan theta. Okay. Now what is theta? Pi by 4. So put here. Theta is pi by 4. Therefore, tan pi minus pi by 4 equals to tan 2 pi minus pi by 4 equals to minus tan pi by 4. So equate first and third term. Tan pi minus pi by 4 equals to third term is minus tan pi by 4. Okay, solve this. Tan 4 pi minus pi means 3 pi by 4 equals to minus tan pi by 4 is 1. Secondly we will take second and third term. Tan 2 pi minus pi by 4 equals to minus tan pi by 4. Okay, solve this. Tan 2 pi into 4 means 8 pi minus pi is 7 pi by 4 equals to minus tan pi by 4 is 1. It means for 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4 tan ratio is minus 1. And also 0 is less than or equal to 3 pi by 4 is less than 2 pi, and 0 is less than or equal to 7 pi by 4 is less than 2 pi. Therefore 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4 are principal solutions of tan theta equals to minus 1. Okay, let us come to third trigonometric equation of example 2, that is root 3 cosec theta plus 2 equals to 0. So we will solve this first for cosec. Therefore cosec theta equals to minus 2 by root 3. Okay, so forget this negative for some time. Okay, for what theta? Cosec ratio is 2 by root 3. We know that sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Therefore cosec pi by 3 is 2 by root 3. Okay, so here for cosec theta equals to plus 2 by root 3, theta is pi by 3. Okay, now in which quadrant cosec is negative? We know all students, S means sin and consequently cosec is positive in second quadrant. It means in third quadrant and in fourth quadrant cosec will be negative. So we will write here the relation for cosec. Cosec for third quadrant we write as pi plus theta equals to cosec for fourth quadrant we write as 2 pi minus theta equals to minus cosec theta. Okay, so put theta equals to pi by 3. Therefore cosec pi plus pi by 3 equals to cosec 2 pi minus pi by 3 equals to minus cosec pi by 3. So again we will first equate first and third term, and then we will equate second and third term. So write down cosec pi plus pi by 3 equals to minus cosec pi by 3. Okay, solve this. Cosec 3 pi plus pi means 4 pi by 3 equals to minus cosec pi by 3 is 2 by root 3. Now second term and third term. Cosec 2 pi minus pi by 3 equals to minus cosec pi by 3. Okay, solve this. cosec 6 pi minus pi means 5 pi by 3 equals to minus 2 by root 3. And also 0 is less than or equal to 4 pi by 3 is less than 2 pi, and 0 is less than or equal to 5 pi by 3 is less than 2 pi. Therefore 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3 are principal solutions of given equation root 3 cosec theta plus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Now again here we will stop. Third example we will see in our next video. Till then you practice. Okay. Goodbye.